Hello. So in this video, I'll be testing the SunJack 15 watt solar panel. So I wanted kind of an emergency solar charging panel for a phone or battery bank in case I'm ever out of power. I wanted this to be rugged and reliable, and I was able to find this brand, and apparently it's as good as it gets for something like this. So they say it's weatherproof. It's IP67, shock proof, and it's for outdoor durability. Say you could charge a phone or a power bank or something small like that. You just plug it in, leave it in the sun, and in a couple hours, hopefully, you have enough battery charged for it to be usable again. So for this test, I will be using a 10,000 mAh power bank. For reference, this will charge my Android phone twice over and my iPhone 13 three times over. I'll leave it outside and check on it hourly or so. But looks like the sun is not quite shining yet on the deck where I will leave it, but that's okay. Okay, we'll start it at 9 o'clock and check back on it at 10 again. Okay, we got it plugged in and the power bank is at 2% battery life, so we'll start there. All right, it's basically 10 o'clock. It hasn't really been out here in the sun for an hour, but let's check on it anyway. So in an hour with no direct sunlight, it charged 1%. That's all right. Next hour we should have sun, so let's try it again. All right, so it's 11 o'clock. Let's take a look. I believe it was in the sun about half of the time. So looks like for some of the sunlight it got in that hour, it charged 13%, which I guess is all right, but let's lay it back down and check what it's going to be next hour in full sunlight. Okay, it's now 12. Let's check it out. Okay, so I know it's hard to see because of the flickering when the camera's on the LCD display, but that says 27%. So in the last hour, it jumped to 27%. The sun did not feel very strong, but it's still pretty good, I think. Okay, 1 o'clock check-in time. Let's see where we're at. Okay, looks like 38%. Again, hard to see because of the flicker from the camera to the LCD, but that's 38%. All right, let's check back in an hour. Okay, it's now 2 o'clock. Let's see where we're at. Okay, looks like we're at 47%. Not bad. Looks like in the sunlight we're in the 10% range an hour or so. The sun's not very good. It is partly cloudy here and there, but this is about an average, I guess. Okay, this time I think I'm going to let it sit till 5. So 3 hours from now, check again, and that'll be the final time, and we'll see where we're at and have a little final conclusion. Okay, it is now 5 o'clock. Let's see where we're at in our final test. Oh wow, we're at 89%. That's awesome. So yeah, I mean, final thoughts, it works. It works real well. You could definitely charge your phone or your brick with just a couple hours and be able to use your phone again and charge it. That's great. I'm happy with it. So yeah, it does work. Hope you guys got something out of this, and till next time.